What are the basic shapes in geometry? Have you ever wondered what shapes make up the world of geometry? Understanding basic shapes is essential for grasping more complex forms. Let's break down these fundamental figures into two main categories: two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. Starting with two-dimensional shapes, these are flat figures that only have length and width. First up is the triangle. A triangle has three sides and three angles. There are different types of triangles. An equilateral triangle has all sides equal. An isosceles triangle has two sides equal, while a scalene triangle has all sides different. You can also find right triangles, which have one angle that measures 90 degrees, acute triangles with all angles less than 90 degrees, and obtuse triangles with one angle greater than 90 degrees. Next, we have quadrilaterals, which are shapes with four sides. The square is a special type of quadrilateral with four equal sides and right angles. A rectangle also has four sides, but opposite sides are equal. The rhombus has four equal sides too, but the angles are not necessarily right angles. The trapezoid features at least one pair of parallel sides, while a kite has two pairs of adjacent sides that are equal. Polygons are another important category. A polygon is a closed figure with three or more straight sides. Beyond triangles and quadrilaterals, we have pentagons with 5 sides, hexagons with 6 sides, heptagons with 7 sides, and octagons with 8 sides. Regular polygons have all sides and angles equal, while irregular polygons do not. Let's not forget about circles. A circle is a curved shape where every point is the same distance from the center. And like polygons, circles do not have sides or vertices. Now let's move on to three-dimensional shapes. These shapes have length, width, and height. The cube is a solid with 6 square faces, all sides equal, and all angles right angles. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. The cuboid, also known as a rectangular prism, is similar to a cube but has rectangular faces, which can have different lengths. Next is the sphere, a perfectly round three-dimensional shape where every point on the surface is the same distance from the center. It has no edges or vertices. The cylinder is another solid shape with 2 parallel circular bases connected by a curved surface. It has edges where the bases meet the curved surface but no vertices. The cone is a shape that has a circular base tapering smoothly to a single point called the apex or vertex. Lastly, we have prisms, which are solids with 2 identical polygonal bases connected by rectangular faces. Examples include triangular prisms and hexagonal prisms. Understanding these basic shapes is key to grasping important geometric concepts like angles, symmetry, perimeter, area, surface area, and volume. You will find these shapes in real-world contexts, such as architecture, engineering, art, and everyday objects. So, whether you are measuring a room or designing a building, knowing your basic shapes is incredibly helpful.